Have you ever felt tired or restless for no clear reason? Not sick exactly, but like something deep inside you is just off. A quiet kind of misalignment. Modern science no longer doubts it. Everything, from our thoughts to our heartbeat, is energy, vibration. Everything we are, everything we feel, moves through the world at its own unique frequency. Your thoughts, your emotions, even the cells in your body, they're all vibrating. Each one with its own signature frequency, tuned in to a vast, intricate network called the quantum field. Just like a musical instrument can be out of tune, so can your body and your mind. When our personal frequencies fall out of sync, life begins to feel chaotic. Failure, anxiety, fatigue, apathy. Sound familiar? That's where Harmocore comes in. It's not a physical device, not a temporary fix. It's an intelligent quantum energy system designed to gently restore your original frequency, to realign your mind, body and spirit naturally. Harmocore works 24/7. No tools, no appointments, no physical contact. Just a seamless connection to a natural current that's always been there. But maybe, somewhere along the way, you drifted away from it. By transmitting aligned, natural frequencies, Harmocore slowly guides you back to your true rhythm. It's not magic, it's not hype, it's a recovery of something that's always belonged to you, but maybe got buried under layers of stress and noise. The result? A calmer mind, clearer focus, and a subtle but undeniable feeling of vitality. Not necessarily sudden, not flashy, but real and lasting. Harmocore is more than just an energy system. It's a choice for those who want to return to their original harmony. A way of living, not chasing balance, but restoring it from within. A lifestyle that reconnects you to awareness, to alignment, to your own inner power. If you're ready for real change, this is where your journey begins. Quantum Energy Harmocore for a better life. Harmocore, Quantum Lifestyle Energy System.